Okay, good evening, folks. It is 21:41 on the 10th of May, 2010. Just gonna do a quick sort of follow-up onto the weekly analysis that I did yesterday evening. Obviously, we've had the open and today's trading, and there was a bit of a gap in a lot of these markets, and we've seen some more sort of wild swings today. So it's obviously been fairly tough trading conditions, I would say. I've not actually been around today. I won't be around much this week, but I'll take a look at these charts and see what I'd be looking for. So, as I said in this Aussie dollar, we've turned bearish now on the daily, breaking the lower back support, and the weekly, creating this thrust bar. Nothing really significant happened here today. I mean, we got close to the first sort of resistance level there, and so basically still just waiting for that 91.64 level, and we might only see that in the next couple of weeks, so we might have to wait for that, but that's actually looking quite good now. Quite like the look of that level now to go short. I think this market's going to start moving lower quite soon by the signals that we're seeing here. Euro pound, we can see we bounced from this trend line again today. But again, I'm just standing aside on this one. I really don't fancy getting involved at all. You can see the kind of random days that we've had here. Really big moves, big ranges. Taking some profit from this already, and just kind of basically waiting to see what's going to happen from here, and see if we can get any kind of more clearer signals. And I'll just move to pound Swiss franc. It's just a similar sort of thing to the euro pound. The lower back support's actually down here if I take away the Sunday bar, but again, it's really dangerous. I would say anyway, to get involved at the moment. So I'd rather wait till things calm down and we create another signal, whether that be the mark or breaking this back support here. So I'd rather just sort of wait on that one. Euro yen's the trade that gave the signal today. As I mentioned in the video yesterday, I would look to sell a retest of that 121.45 level, and we got that today, just early into the sort of London session there, 10:45. We did have a 15-minute signal just above that 121.45, so that's kind of basically the first, basically the only thing that really happened today. I mean, if we do take a look at the 5-minute as well, we did have a signal above, which obviously wouldn't have worked out quite so well, but you know, there was the 15-minute signal as well, probably not too long after we had that sort of burst higher there. So yeah, so not too bad a signal there, so hopefully that'll sort of trigger a down move here. We can see in the Euro US dollar that this was the level I was looking at on the weekly analysis, but we obviously opened up just at that level and then went higher. But you can see we're going to close below that level. Quite a, you know, a really bearish day here. Weekly, you can see it's just continuing down. We're on the 9th bar here, but so far anyway, it looks like it just wants to keep going. So a bit of a big swing there. Pound yen didn't quite do what I thought it was going to do. We had a gap at the open, and we actually closed right around that 37.66 level. So we're currently above that level, so it's not really a selling level anymore for me because of the way that we closed, but we are coming close to that 139.38 level as well. I think today we actually got a wee bit above that, but still not really just the best of price action here with the fact that we closed right at that level. I would rather have seen it close down here and then retest it today in a similar way that the euro yen did. And pound dollar as well tried to go higher, but has fallen off. We didn't quite get to the weekly resistance level that I was waiting for, so like nothing really doing there. And US CAD's kind of surprising, starting to head down. I mean, this is going to be quite a sort of random monthly candle. We still have a few more weeks left in this month, 3 more full weeks, so I would expect us to cover back up towards the range that we've seen, but we're right down at that area that I suggested trying to take a buy on. US dollar yen, as I said, stand aside and just wait, but other than that I don't really see anything going on, so the weekly videos still stand, and yeah, just refer back to them if you need to see what's going on. But basically the euro yen's the only one that's done anything for me today, but the rest of the pairs just basically waiting to see what happens in the next few days. There's a lot of political and sort of a lot of fundamental stuff going on with the euro and the pound at the moment, so trading conditions aren't the greatest, so I would suggest just kind of hanging in there for the moment. Okay, cheers.